this is rose and berry. So this is step by step from last week. So I'm just gonna do is exactly black and white that Barbara's did. So this is the two colors we're going to use. It's a black and white, just like acrylic gesso, and then a little bit of black. So and then we are just exactly paint the black and white trees, a simple one, no other colors. So and then from that, in the background, you decide what you're gonna do. Okay, it's up to you. So I just like to showing you to start with. So I know you can do it, guys. So there is no limit, or there is no judgment here. You just go ahead and put your tree no matter what that looks like. So let's begin, guys, and have fun. Alright, I'm adding a gesso like this. So I got this so far. They almost are like a grayish, like enough. So it's good enough for me. I just don't want to really dark. Okay, they're all done, and let it dry. Okay, so I'll be back. I'm back. So let's see. Oh, it's already dry. So let's begin. In a white gesso. Like this. Yeah, like that. This is the brightest color you got here. Okay, I'm gonna shift into a sea sponge, and I'm gonna put a more over here. Okay, so background, and then let it dry. Alright, so I'll be back. Take something with small branches or twigs from outside. It's perfect to use it. use your trees. Basically, just like this one, concept is the same. Okay, so we just a shortcut to make the trees. We use this guide. Okay, so and then we're gonna fix the tree. Gonna add a highlight to the tree. Color white in here. After that, I'm adding branches and twigs on that trees. Okay, to make the branches, I use a liner brush. So I'll just go this way. Stop right here, and we don't need to put a big huge in the front, the big giant tree. We're just gonna do it this way. So I hope you guys, you're gonna have your idea how to pin this simple trees. Okay, so I just leave it that way, and now I'm gonna use acrylic paint, white acrylic paint, and then the foam brush. Okay, so there you go. Going to make it right here, just like this. Alright guys, yes, that's it. So here we go. So I hope you like my video today, and then I hope you enjoy this painting and the black and white with gesso. The ideas come up from Bob Ross, and I hope you enjoy it. And so, like I said, save your sticks from outside. See that you what I did here, so you can use as a guide. So for the meantime, so and also happy Halloween, and I paint my pumpkin. So yeah, happy Halloween guys, and have a good night. Bye bye now. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video and please subscribe. Bye bye now.